This is Scott the Fix-It Guy. Our goal with our videos is to empower you to be able to do yourself and save a lot of money and not need to hire a professional to help you. A lot of these repairs are really easy. This one today is to help the Bosch dishwasher that's having trouble either not draining or not cleaning well. So first thing to try is to press the button here on the right side, which is the start button, for about 5 seconds, and that resets the computer, and also it starts up a drain cycle, and hopefully that drains out all the water that's in the dishwasher. If it's not draining, there's a couple other things we can do to help it drain, but this is the first thing to try when your dishwasher is acting up, is just pressing that button for about 5 seconds, and that resets the computer and drains out everything. And if it's still not draining the water, a couple things you can try. One is to pull out this lower basket, and we can pull up on the lower spray arm to get it out of there, and we can make sure that all of these little holes here, these jets, are clear of debris. Sometimes food particles get pulled into the system and they get pushed out through these little holes. When these holes are blocked, they can't send water out to clean the dishes. It kind of limits the mechanical action of the dishwasher. So if you notice that there's something there, you can pull the debris out and clean that arm up before you put it back in. Also checking the filter, making sure there's nothing in there. And after you clean the filter and check it, make sure you lock these two arrows together so that the filter can't move. If the filter doesn't get locked, it'll tend to pull in food debris into this area called the sump, and that then circulates that food debris into all parts of the dishwasher, which can clog it up and make it not clean very well. So cleaning the filter is important, and then making sure there's nothing caught in there, and locking that filter down where the two blue arrows point, and if you lift up on the filter, it shouldn't come out. Another thing you can check is the upper spray arm. You can turn this little nut just a quarter turn either direction so it lets go. Then you can pull out this upper spray arm, and once again check to make sure that all these holes are clear, all these jets. If there's anything caught in there, you can just pull it out, or you can push it back into the spray arm and then run water through it underneath the sink, and the water will carry out the debris. But you want to make sure that it's nice and clear, and you push it back into position, and then turn the nut about a quarter turn. It'll lock it back in. So these are actually really easy to clean. It's very well designed. So put our spin baskets back in, put the baskets back in. We're going to close it. We're going to start up a cycle. So we turn it on and pick a cycle. We'll press start, and hopefully we're going to run better for you. So thanks so much for watching, and please subscribe when you get a chance.